Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature the best and the latest clips when it comes to all sorts of road encounters. This time, we prepared an epic episode full of crazy encounters as well for you guys. But before we start with today's episode, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest content. With that out of the way, we can now focus on the episode. Sit back and enjoy. This crazy driver stopped in the middle of the road and got out of his car to show the middle finger to this group of riders for some reason. They paid him no mind at first, but a bit further down the road, he dangerously passed one of the bikers and he almost made him crash. Watch.
Holy shit, bro! Holy
This biker was riding around the private trail, which was still in a phase of completion. An angry excavator driver noticed the biker ruining the tracks with his bike, and he was not happy about it. He confronted the biker, and a heated argument unfolded when he approached.
Sí, pero calles son calles.
Calle es esto.
Sí, obvio, yo te entiendo perfecto, pero que es privado que no, ¿dónde dice?
Todo es privado, pero yo te dejo andar arriba de los terrenos.
Está perfecto.
Ah,
Pero de acá para allá es todo público.
no es público.
Obvio que es público, es calle.
¿Cómo va a ser público si es privado?
¿Privado de quién? ¿Quién es el...?
Privado, esto tiene dueño, no es de la intendencia. ¿Entendés lo que te digo?
No está cercado.
¿Cómo que no? ¿No hay tejido allá arriba?
Y la calle está ahí,
¿Dónde está la calle? Del otro lado. Vos pasaste en cuatriciclo, si no, no pasás.
Bueno.
En auto no pasás.
A mí
En
no me
moto
grites,
tampoco.
a mí no me grites.
A mí no me grites qué.
A mí no me
A mí no me
grites.
tomes
A
de
mí no
pelo.
me
Te
grites,
llamo a
pero-
la milico y te corro a la mierda. Esto es privado. Así que arranca. No, no toques ni el terreno ni nada. Arranca. Arranca.
Qué bueno que quedó grabado.
Arranca. Arranca. Arranca así. Arranca. Yo te dejo andar ahí. Yo te dejo andar ahí. Yo te dejo. Es privado, pero yo te dejo andar arriba de los terrenos. ¿Está? Yo te dejo.
When the biker realized how angry and upset the excavator worker is with his behavior, he decided that it's time to go before the argument turned into real trouble.
¿Me entendés? ¿Ah?
Run. There was a turtle in the middle of the road, and instead of ignoring it, this biker pulled over and rescued it from the dangers of traffic.
See? I saved little turtle. Alright, now where do you want to go, buddy? Where do you want to go? I'd take you home if I could, but I don't think that's an option. So we're going to put you back over here. Alright, buddy? We're going to put you back over here somewhere. We'll put you right here. Alright, see you later. Go. Go, shoo. Come on. I saved a turtle.
Not the road I want to be on with this Vader without tags. Please, dear God, don't let a cop pull me over. Please, dear God, don't let a cop pull me over.
Well, the song didn't help much, since they still got pulled over. One of the bikers didn't have his tags on, and he just bought the bike as well. It was supposed to be a test ride and... oh well, bad luck I guess.
Make sure everything's okay, make sure you didn't crash or something.
Yeah.
Where's your plate out on your bike here, bub?
I just got it, I know. Dear God, please don't impound it.
I mean, you got a driver's license on you?
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor and go ahead and throw your kickstand down there for a minute.
Yep, I can do that.
I mean, you can cause me no problems, I won't cause you no problems.
Do you want me to on or off the bike?
Yeah, it don't matter. You can just lean on right there. You're good.
I remember this guy, he's pretty nice.
I was gonna say you're being a turn too calm for me to care too much.
There's the license and then there's the permit. I just got this bike. I have two. My other one is good to go, fully insured. I was taking this on a test drive, which I know I shouldn't have been doing that.
Not without a plate.
But I do plan on going and getting it all legal.
Did you get it? So they're telling me that you don't have a driver's license at all.
Oh, I don't have a driver's license. I have a permit.
Yeah, I'm gonna check. I gotta run this real quick. It's gonna take me just a minute.
Okay.
Because they didn't say anything about a motorcycle endorsement on there either. Usually your permit should pop up on the screen.
Alright.
It should tell me you got a motorcycle permit. They're also not telling me about your motorcycle permit, but you may have one. They just may not looked at it.
Yeah.
Are they both still valid?
Yeah.
I mean, they say they're valid,
I
but
got
I
mine
mean,
this
be honest
year.
with me. Like, are they really valid?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'm good with it. They are. They are.
Right.
Give me just a second.
Well, guys, I did get pulled over. They were very nice. Unfortunately, my camera died. I think I caught him on the phone a little bit. Making me push the bike home. No ticket or nothing, so very nice people.
Okay, so my speedometer is right. I thought it was off by about 10 miles.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
All right, see ya.
All right, see ya.
These bikers got pulled over for going 65 in a 35 mph area. This speed would get them a ticket and points to their license. But since they stopped on their own instead of trying to run, the cop helped them out as much as he could. Check it out.
Got your driver's license on?
What did we do?
60 to 35. 25 on up. Just ahead. Alright, give me just a second. Mr. You're on this one? Yes. You have your registration on you?
I know I got
Does everybody have the registration on?
Yeah.
The thing is, a lot of motorcycle complaints for speed. A lot of sports car complaints for speed. Okay. I understand these things can run a lot faster than that, but the thing is, if you want to do those speeds, you need to take it to a track. Alright, so y'all just hang tight. It's going to take me just a second, okay?
Okay.
And we'll help y'all out because y'all stop. Well, this is what I'm going to do, okay? Too fast for conditions, no points in your license, as low as it goes. I'm going to go ahead and give y'all that heads up. And it doesn't report to your insurance company and stuff like that. But 16 to 35, 59 to 35, even 54 and 35 is all points on your license. Okay? So I'm going to help y'all out since y'all are being good, but unfortunately I'm out here for this reason. So I kind of have no choice.
Okay. Fair enough.
Y'all just sit tight.
Thank you. All right.
This is what I did for all y'all. Drop you back down to 48 and a 35 to ensure that no points get assessed to your license. Okay? Alright. So, hey, my thing is, as long as y'all stop, I can work with y'all. My worst fear is somebody's going to run and get into.
run or stop?
We've had them run before, and these roads are notorious for taking out vehicles.
When the police tried to pull the driver over, he didn't want to stop. Instead, he wanted to act tough and he started to flee the scene. In my opinion, a bad idea, and we never encourage or support the actions of running from the cops. To make the matter even worse for the driver, he was dealing with the cops on bikes, and it's really difficult to escape them. After he got arrested, the meds were called over to check on his well-being before he was moved to the police station. Luckily, he wasn't injured during the pursuit.
hopefully we don't get murdered or shot or arrested. We'll see. Any of the above can happen. So.
The bikers' overshadowing came to fruition as a cop did indeed pull them over. They were warming up the tires on the road and the cop didn't like it. Luckily for them, he was cool and he let them go.
Just left. We just left. This is a 125.
You're gonna race as you warm up the tires, right?
This is a 125 cc. This thing is so slow. I think I recognize you. I was in the Thorin Citizens Academy.
Oh, really?
It was me and my dad. Yeah.
So is that your girlfriend's bike?
No, bro.
Oh, I saw the pink on it.
No, bro.
Okay, haven't been drinking or anything?
No, I don't drink.
Alright.
No.
Okay.
Thank you so much, man.
This biker got pulled over for a routine check. When the officer saw that his registration and his license were not expired, he was good to go.
Okay.
I just need to see your license and your registration.
Sure.
Parking, what you gotta do. That's fantastic.
How are you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, just hot.
It is hot, yes it is.
I chose the worst day to come here. Holy fuck. There's so much traffic.
Love this, love it. This, and very important stuff you want to look at. Alright, sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
No problem, man.
Safely.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of here. So where's the next turnoff?
You can actually anything beyond this point. Beyond
Okay. Awesome.
Oh, you can't turn here. Probably 42nd. Should be 43rd.
Okay.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to just get out this. Okay.
God bless. Be safe.
Yeah, same to you. Take care, guys.
Thank you.
Try to stay cool.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, you don't have a back seat. My girl wanted to ride on your bike.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, no back seat, no helmet either, man.
Sorry, but I got a helmet in here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, if you want to let her hop up to it.
Yeah, well, actually, it'll probably crack my cowling, dude, so.
She weighs like 100 pounds.
It's not your everyday
Alright,
situation
come on.
that a guy pulls up to a biker with a request like this.
Oh, hello, what's your name?
Kylie.
What is it?
Kylie.
Kylie, all right, well, I'm Kyle, so that's close. Very cool. Have you ever been on a motorcycle?
It's been a long time.
Okay. Well, we'll just take it real slow. We'll cruise around here real quick. So like I said, I don't have the back seat on here, so you might slip and slide a little bit, so just be careful.
So you're gonna let me hold on to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
How long have you been riding?
About like 8 years. Yep.
Thank you.
Hey, no problem. So subscribe, the Liquor Chronicles. You'll be on there.
We'll look it up.
Check it.
Thank you.
Rock and roll.
Kids, if you're watching this, please listen to us when we say, don't try this at home. It's way too dangerous and risky. And with this cool and dangerous clip, we reach the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this one as well, and perhaps learning a thing or two from the rider's mistakes and overall actions. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe and bell button to stay up to date with the latest content of ours. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open at all times.